Do you have trouble dropping down to tie your shoe? Do you find yourself needing a chair to sit down? Or having to rest your foot on an elevated surface? If so, it's common to lose mobility and flexibility over time. But here's what you can practice to make that task a lot more manageable. We're going to start with hamstring flexibility. Now all of our exercises are going to be done from a seated or standing position. Tight hamstrings can be a culprit, so let's stretch them out. Now mobilizing them is also important. This will also mobilize your knees, which might be one of the main reasons you can't bend down. Tightness in your calves can make things a lot tougher too. This stretch could help keep that back leg straight and heel down. Hip mobility is crucial. We're going to do a couple leg swings to the front and back and side to side. And of course, balance is so important. If you do my balance routines, you know this one. Tap your toe 3 ways using a chair for balance if you need it. Now this is going to be the toughest one. We're going to simulate bending down by doing a half kneel. Do this only when you're ready, but it'll help build the strength you need to get into the kneeling position, just like I'm showing right here. And finally, we got to mobilize that back. We always teach to keep our back straight and core nice and tight, spine aligned. But it's also important to gently take our spine through its natural ranges of motion by slightly bending it forward and back. This imitates movements of everyday life, preparing you for activities of daily living, just like tying your shoes. I hope this helps.